I just love a great snow day. And if you happen to have snow where you live, I hope that you get a chance to go outside and make a snowball or a snowman. Today's book is all about snow. Let's read it together. Hello, awesome readers. Welcome to Storytime for All Kids. Today's story is The Biggest Snowball Ever, written by John Rogan. It's Christmas Eve. There's snow outside. This morning, Paul and Claire decide that after breakfast, they will go to play with friends out in the snow. They look through drawers and under stairs to find old clothes that no one wears, then choose the things that they will take to dress the snowmen they will make. The doorbell rings, their friends are here, all dressed in cozy winter gear. Then the children make their way to the park this winter's day. Claire makes her snowman small and fat. Her brothers wear a big brown hat. And then Claire grins. She thinks, "Hee hee, my brother will be mad at me." She rolls some snow into a ball and throws it at her brother Paul. He throws one back, but then, oh dear, it lands in someone else's ear. And so begins a snowball fight. The snowballs fly from left and right. Then Paul gets hit by 10 or more and wants to even up the score. He walks and walks and walks until he's reached the summit of the hill. There he rolls a ball of snow and aims it at his friends below. But then he slips. So now poor Paul becomes a part of his own snowball. The snowball's such a massive size, the children can't believe their eyes. "It's bigger than my house," shouts one, who stumbles when she starts to run. The snowball gets them one and all, like a giant bowling ball, with lots of children stuck in there. Oh look, it's caught another pair. The snowball stops. The children shout, "Someone please come and help us out. For if we can't get home, it's clear we'll miss Christmas Day this year." Claire runs to town. She shouts for aid. Help for her friends can't be delayed. Her friends are looking very glum, their toes and fingers frozen numb. The neighbors dig with all their might to save the children from their plight. The children come out one by one. The rescue work will soon be done. Then, free at last, and since it's late, the children do not hesitate. They wave goodbye, they're on their way, because tomorrow's Christmas Day. At home, Paul says, "I'll always remember my ride in the biggest snowball ever." Before they go to bed, these two have one more thing they have to do. Now Paul and Claire are fast asleep and dream of toys they'd love to keep. They know that Santa is on his way to bring them joy on Christmas Day. The end. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you did, please like this story and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for reading with me today.